Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you guys on how to check your PHP version in your PC or personal computer. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. It is very important for us as PHP developer to know and understand the version of PHP that we are using. There are some cases that our code will not work because we are using a different version of PHP, or the application that we are fixing or maintain, the code does not work in the version that you are working with or the new version that you are using. This is very common based on my experience as a PHP developer for more than 15 years. Now, how do we check the version of PHP in our computer? Using the command line. In this example, I'm using Microsoft Windows 7, but it doesn't matter or what kind of version version that you are using, as long that you are using xampp or you install PHP in your computer. Let us go here. Let us type cmd command line, and then in the command line we simply type PHP space -v. V stands for version, and then press enter key from our keyboard. So we have here the version of PHP installed in my computer is PHP version 7.4.11. Okay, so that's it guys. Now this is a simple tutorial on how to check the version of PHP using Windows command line. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.